Do you see that? I see it. I don't know if I can see any cords hanging on it or from it.
Well, the camera can see it very well, but
Well, when I first looked up there, it looked like it was more toward the framing of the window, and now it's in the middle.
come on, focus. This is the old Scott County Jail Tower, where they're supposed to, at night, to be able to see. This is where they used to hang people. And you're supposed to be able to see people hanging at night. And if you would focus right now, I think we see it. Honest to God, from what I see, it looks like it's just swinging. Like right now, from what I'm looking at in the camera.
Jeremy James M.Y.